Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review 20 genius home kitchen cleaning tools you'll wish you bought earlier. Smart and powerful cleaning tools that make home cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. If you're looking for smart cleaning solutions that save time and make your home shine, this video is for you. So let's start. Clean hard-to-reach windows with ease using the Tyroler Glider D3 magnetic window cleaner. Its double-sided design and adjustable magnetic strength let you safely clean glass 0.1 inch to 1.1 thick from both sides at once. Perfect for high, wide, or outdoor windows, it delivers streak-free shine with fast, effortless control. Power through tough messes with the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach. This handheld portable steam cleaner tackles tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, and even fabrics, delivering fast, chemical-free cleaning with precision and ease. Clean faster and easier with the TUYU electric spin scrubber. Its powerful motor and LCD display keep you in control, while the IPX7 waterproof design handles bathrooms, kitchens, and more. The adjustable extension handle reaches high and low spots with ease. Cordless, efficient, and versatile, perfect for tubs, showers, floors, and walls. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop Bucket Floor Cleaning System, red/gray, delivers a fast, hands-free floor cleaning solution. Just dip the microfiber head in water, set it in the bucket's built-in wringer, and press the foot pedal to spin out excess water. Its triangular, 360-degree swivel mop head reaches corners and cleans under furniture easily, while the washable microfiber traps dirt and removes 99% of bacteria using only water. Ideal for tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and other sealed hard floors. Make cleaning easier with the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit. This cordless, battery-powered scrub brush delivers fast, powerful scrubbing for kitchens, bathrooms, tile, grout, showers, and tubs. With multiple interchangeable heads and a water-resistant design, it removes dirt and grime effortlessly, saving you time and effort. Robot Vacuum. Experience effortless cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, designed with smart matrix clean navigation for powerful, precise performance. With built-in voice control and advanced home mapping, it learns your space and cleans every corner efficiently. The XL self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt, making maintenance worry-free. Perfect for homes with pets, it tackles hair, dust, carpets, and hard floors with ease. In a sleek, cool gray finish, this robot vacuum delivers hands-free convenience, deep cleaning power, and smart technology all in one. Easily tackle tough messes with the Dyself Razor Blade Scraper. This versatile scraper comes with 15 extra blades and built-in blade storage, perfect for cleaning windows, paint, cooktops, ovens, and glass stove tops. Durable and easy to use, it delivers precise, safe scraping for all your home projects. Easily tackle pet hair with the Black Plus Decker Pet Hair Remover Roller. Designed to remove dog and cat hair from furniture, clothing, and car interiors, it makes cleanup fast and effortless. Durable, reusable, and simple to use, it keeps your home and belongings hair-free in seconds. Clean small spaces effortlessly with the 2025 new Upgrade Mini Mop. This portable self-squeezing mop works wet or dry, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, desktops, and glass surfaces. Compact and easy to use, it comes with 2 sponges for versatile cleaning. Lightweight and efficient, it's ideal for quick, mess-free touch-ups in any tight space. The Hobit 2S automatic window cleaning robot delivers smart, hands-free cleaning with its ultrasonic water spray and AI-powered route planning. Dual replaceable water tanks ensure continuous performance, while you can control everything easily through your smartphone or remote. Perfect for achieving streak-free windows with zero effort. Make cleaning fast and effortless with the Gilmore 875084 1001 Foamaster Sprayer. This 4 ounces single-ratio nozzle creates rich, even foam for washing cars, windows, patios, and more. Simply attach it to your hose for powerful, consistent coverage. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for quick, effective outdoor cleaning. Keep floors spotless with the Tethys Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. Designed for professional quality home cleaning, it features an aluminum handle, 2 washable microfiber pads, and a durable bucket system. Perfect for hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl, it makes cleaning kitchens, living rooms, and other spaces fast, efficient, and streak-free. Flat Vac. Meet the Levoit LVAC 200 cordless vacuum cleaner, a lightweight, powerful cleaning solution designed for everyday convenience. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it delivers strong suction for carpets, hard floors, and stubborn pet hair. Its tangle-resistant design keeps maintenance simple, while the rechargeable battery lets you clean freely without cords holding you back. Versatile attachments help you reach corners, furniture, and tight spaces with ease. Perfect for busy homes, this stick vacuum combines power, flexibility, and comfort in one sleek, easy-to-use design. Easily clean hard-to-reach ceiling fans with the blade-made ceiling fan cleaner. Featuring a 3-foot extendable pole, flexible brush, reusable fiber duster, and specially designed cleaning head, it removes dust and dirt safely and efficiently. Perfect for high ceilings, fan blades, and other elevated surfaces, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Keep your floors spotless with the iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. This automatic dustpan instantly sucks up pet hair, food crumbs, and dirt with its powerful 1,000-watt motor. Just sweep debris toward the sensor. No bending or bags required. Perfect for kitchens and pet-friendly homes, it delivers fast, hands-free cleaning every time. Reach dust anywhere with the deluxe microfiber feather duster, featuring an extra-long 100-inch extendable pole. The bendable head easily cleans ceiling fans, high ceilings, blinds, furniture, and even cars. Its soft microfiber traps dust without scratching, making cleaning faster, safer, and more effective throughout your home. Upgraded 4-row bristles design, high-quality broom bristle construction, more dense and durable. Compact storage keep your home or workspace clean and tidy. Works perfectly for multi-surface, suitable for indoor use. Easy to clean broom into dustpan, clean pet hair and human hair with one pull on the teeth. The rubber lip of the dustpan is flush with the floor, and the teeth clean out the bristles easily. Make your life cleaner and make your housework easier. Tackle tough cleaning jobs with the McCulloch MC 1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. With up to 2 hours of chemical-free steam and 23 accessories, it powers through dirt on tile, carpet, furniture, and even car interiors. The mop head, brushes, and tools make deep cleaning fast, effective, and safe for your whole home. Make cleaning easy with this all-purpose scrubbing brush. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, bathtubs, and toilets, its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while the durable bristles tackle dirt and grime efficiently. Clean every corner effortlessly. Tackle tough messes anywhere with this portable carpet upholstery spot cleaner, built for powerful deep cleaning. Featuring an impressive 18 kilopascal suction, it lifts stubborn pet stains, spills, and dirt from carpets, furniture, sofas, stairs, and even car interiors with ease. The machine includes dual brush heads designed to handle both delicate fabrics and heavy-duty areas, giving you versatile cleaning power in one compact unit. Paired with the included cleaning solution, it penetrates deep into fibers for fresh, renewed results every time. Lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for homes with kids or pets, this spot cleaner makes everyday cleanup faster, cleaner, and more convenient.